Dude,
What'd you think of that thing?
I've never experienced anything like this before. It's insane. All right, we are about to jump in this 950 here because I need one of those for sure. But I want you guys to see the scraper haul truck. So that's an actual haul truck that you can pop the bed off of and then hook the scraper on. When you're done, you pop the haul truck bed back on it. And I think it is really slick. If that's something you guys haven't seen, a dual use tractor like that is pretty ingenious. So I checked with the guys. They said it's an 8-hour process to get the bed off of your haul truck and the hydraulics plumbed up and all that to put the scraper on your haul truck. But they said once you do that on a particular job, if you still need to move material, the guys will just load the bin here with material versus taking the 8 hours to put the bed back on. So it's not overly detrimental. If you just want to run a few loads, loaded with an excavator, just keep it the way it is. This thing's pretty cool. Look at these big scrapers. Small tractor. Here's the 46 ton. So let's see if we can hop in one of these big boys here and move some dirt. Dude,
What'd you think of that thing?
I've never experienced anything like this before. It's insane. Absolutely insane.
How tall are you? About 7 foot?
That was fun, guys. Wish you could be here. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Thank you, Jason.